What's up everybody, my name is Kayla White and I'm back with another video. Today I have some new merch from one of my favorite content creators known as PhysicalGamerz, PG. You can find him on his Rated PG gaming channel or his main channel, PhysicalGamerz. And today I'll be opening up his new Season 2 hoodie. It comes in a variety of colors: black, green, maroon, or dark heather. I'm so excited to see what this looks like and to try it on for you guys. Stay tuned. Okay. So here's a closer look at the design of the hoodie. I really love this design and the colors are so bright and just really nice. I also thought dark heather would be a really good color to make these colors on the design pop. And here's the design on the back. I really like this design on the back as well. If you all take a closer look at this material is just beautiful. I definitely give it a 10 out of 10 for comfortability and design. And here is the hoodie being worn. I ordered a size large and that's the size that I usually wear, so when I put it on it fit perfectly. I just want to note that the inside of this hoodie is very soft as well. This hoodie is still available for order until February 14th. I would definitely suggest getting one if you haven't already, or you're thinking of getting one. Thank you all for watching. Shout out to the Toxic Gang, shout out to PG, and remember to like, subscribe, comment down below any ideas that you would like to see from me. See you all in the next video.